So there are two ways to do that. The first one, belum lagi. I already give you the exercise just now. So let us repeat the mechanic of doing it manually lah, using non-syntax basis. First of all, I'm going to make it as the original format or original conditions. So first of all, you need to go to your data, and then followed by the split file, and then followed by the go to the analyze, go to the non-parametric legacy dialog, 2 independent samples. Okay, done. After that, reset everything, your previous data analysis, followed by the depression variables. Put it inside, stress. Put the stress variables inside the test list, and then ambil gender ni masuk dalam grouping variables. Define your group as number 1 and number 1 and number 2. Click continue and then paste. That one done kan? Done. Okay, and then you need to do the second part, which is you need to filter based on the group that you want to test. So in this case, I want to make the filter based on the group of gender. So data, split file, I want to compare group based on gender. Just put the gender inside there, and then I'm going to click the paste. After I click the paste, then it's done for the step number 2. Step number 3, request the MCT and MD of your DV. Go to analyze, descriptive statistic, frequencies. Now you can reset everything and then insert your DV. What is my DV? My DV will be the stress, and then followed by the statistics. I no longer cannot do that because my computer is hang already. And then you can click the median and quartile, and then followed by another one, we call it as the continue and paste. And then do not forget to write the word split file of and nokta. That is only way to do it very nicely. And then after that, you highlight everything from the non-parametric test until split file of dot, and then you get the output. Did you get it? Kan cara dia? Pertama, analyze, non-parametric legacy dialog, 2 independent samples. Correct or not? And then followed by the test. What kind of test that I want to perform? I want to test the stress levels against the male and female. So I'm going to insert the A1 inside the grouping variables. Define the group as group 1 as 1, group 2 as 2, followed by continue and paste. Because as default, it will set as Mann-Whitney. That is the first step. Okay, done, ready? So I have this syntax. You have the syntax already? Okay, next step. Next step, I can go to my data and then follow it through until the split file. Inside the split file, I also know that I want the SPSS analysis. In this particular analysis, I am actually looking into the differences of the group. What kind of group that I want to measure? I want to measure the differences in terms of male and female. So I need to do some sort of comparison. So I may ask the SPSS to give me a comparison straight away based on male and female by using these split file functions. Just indicate compare group and insert your gender variable inside the compare group based on, followed by the paste. After you click the paste, then the syntax is already arranged nicely down here. Now, whatever it is, this one is only help you to split. Kalau you run pun this one, it's nothing. Dia tak bagi output pun. Sebab dia akan bagi tahu, okay, aku dah split. Macam tu je. Jangan anda tanya, mana? Memang dia tak bagi apa-apa. Dia hanya bagi tahu, okay, aku splitkan untukmu. Macam tu. Then, the real things begin is actually down there, where we ask the SPSS to produce the matrices that we want. What kind of matrices that you want? You want the SPSS give us the stress level. But the stress levels that the SPSS want to give should have only focus on the median and IQR. Therefore, I'm going to click the statistics, followed by median, followed by quartile. And then followed by continue. Remember, you only can click this one. You only can click this one if you are inserting the numerical data. Otherwise, it will be wrongdoing. Jelas? Let's say, anda masukkan gender masuk dalam ni. Anda pun tekan statistik. Salah lah. Sebab dia akan bagi min 1. Mana ada min 1? Bagi jantina. Jenis kemaluan tidak bernombor. Sorry. Dia hanyalah indicator for the computer to run the analysis. That's why you only insert the gambar pembaris And therefore, you can click the statistics. Otherwise, you cannot. Okay, kalau you remember baliklah yang saya cerita sebelum ni. And then, you can also uncheck this box. You can uncheck this box lah. Kalau you tak uncheck this box, no problem. No problem also. Tapi dia jadi messy lah. Dia jadi berserabut. Betul tak? Okay, and then you can click the paste. And remember to put one more toyol, which is the split file of dot. This is only the real command to stop any action with regard to the analysis. And therefore, they can start the new one. Okay. Then, kalau anda nak analisis, you need to analyze all of it. That's why saya kata non-parametric ni dia sedikit mencabar. Betul tak? Dia tak bagi terus. Tapi dia, kalau faham betul-betul pakai sinteks ni, memang boleh selesai jugalah masalah tuan-tuan dan perempuan dalam kadar yang agak cepat. And then you can click the run. It will perform the analysis as given. Male and female, 0, 15, 5. Ni saya salah buat ke apa ni? Stress score in numerical. Oh, of course lah. Sebab dia dah filter dah siap-siap ke atas tu. Okay, I am so sorry. So, saya buat balik semula. Split file off, run. Sebab tadi kan saya nak demo kat kamu kan, saya tunjukkan. So, dia pun terikut. Okay, so that is the dangerousness of just analyzing here and there without you know what you need to do first. Nampak tak? Boleh jadi error tak tadi? Sebab apa? Saya filterkan dulu konon-konon, nak tunjuk kat awak, lepas tu konon-konon saya run, kan error. That's why apabila you dah filter, you make sure that the filter is being off. Kalau tuan-tuan dan puan-puan ditakdirkan Allah SWT terlupa, apa dia? Terlupa nak tulis split file off. Mana ayat ya? Split file on ke split file off? Ke split, yang aku tahu banana split je. Susah. Jadi tuan-tuan dan puan tak perlu risau, you can go to the data, you can go to the split file here, you can reset and then you paste. When you reset and paste, it will give you the split file off function. It will give you the idea that, that means you want the split file functions. Okay? Setakat ni jelas? Kalau anda lupalah, tak semua command saya boleh ajar tuan-tuan dan puan dan tuan-tuan dan puan boleh ingat semua, mustahil kan? Ada certain command that you may need the computer also to refresh it back for your understanding. Okay, habis. Kat sini adalah non-parametric untuk kita punya apa tadi? Man Whitney ke Manbai? Man Whitney. Okay, Man Whitney selesai. So now, let us go into the second chapter of the day where we try also to run the non-parametric, but now we are going to use the Kruskal-Wallis. What is the functions of the Kruskal-Wallis, ladies and gentlemen? Function. The function is actually measure differences between, nampak? Saya tak cakap tau, measure mean difference. Saya tak cakap measure mean difference. Saya kata measure differences je. Measure differences between more than two groups. Two groups. Measure differences of apa? Of your DV. Dalam this case, contoh kita ambil anxiety lah. Anxiety ni dah lama tak kita analyse. Okay, so we want to measure the differences of your DV, which is in this case anxiety, more than two groups. So what is our null? Tulis terus kat sini kat syntax terus saya tulis. Tak apalah. Null kita apa? There is no significant difference of the anxiety score between apa? Yang more than two groups apa? Contoh race kan? Race. Macam itulah. So tuan-tuan dan puan akan buat benda yang sama juga untuk you punya alternative. So what is your alternative? That is yang berkenaan Kemudian alpha berapa tuan-tuan dan puan nak set? 0.05 and then we need to run the analysis Okay, we are going to run and report. So what is our Z? Bukan Z Yang ini Kruskal-Wallis dia akan bagi chi-square value. Chi-square Kruskal-Wallis value, something like that lah. Never mind, kita akan letak dia sebagai stat value. Okay, and then we are going to put the p-value. And remember, the p-value inside the SPSS for the non-parametric is also called as the asymptotic significant. ASYMP Abang sayang yang menurut perintah. Macam tu. ASYMP. Okay, so now macam mana kita nak run analisis itu? Poyo So, the next step adalah decision dan last kali adalah conclusion. Baik, kita akan pergi kepada analyze, non-parametric, legacy dialog, K. Independent samples. Okay, boleh? K independent samples. And then kalau anda lihat, nampak macam sama tapi sedikit berbeza. So, apa yang kita nak letak di sini, test variable, tuan-tuan dan puan? Kita nak letak apa? Kita nak letak apa dalam test variable ni, tuan-tuan dan puan? Ya Allah, pandainya. Betul lah, kita nak letakkan anxiety. Betul. Grouping variable, kita nak letakkan apa? Race berapa? A2 kan? A2, masukkan A2. Tapi kat sini kita ada satu cabaran. Kita kena define range. Range yang dimaksudkan di dalam ANOVA, di dalam Kruskal-Wallis adalah the minimum value that you assign to the group. Contoh, anda punya minimum value is 1. Malay kan? Chinese 2. Indian 3. So, yang paling maksimum nombor yang anda letak sebagai group, nombor berapa? Nombor 3. You letaklah nombor 3. Macam tu. Maximum value that you assign the group variable name. And then you click the continue. Done? Done. And then after that, you can click the paste button. Then the syntax are going to be generated for you. However, you do not have the frequency, you do not have the statistical analysis with regard to the median and MCT, median and IQR. Therefore, saya memang seorang pemalas level dewa ya. Saya copy je lah ayat yang di atas. But, how to manipulate? I just manipulate here. You see kita nak tengok anxiety di kalangan kumpulan A2. A2 adalah apa? Race. So, I just change over here A to as simple as that. And then, I rerun everything. Not yet. This one is stress kan? Saya tukar dia kepada N. Anxiety. And then, I rerun everything from the top bottom. From the top until the bottom of the code. This is my analysis. Asymptotic significance 0.695. More than alpha or less than alpha? Less than reject. More than fail to reject. This one is more than or less than? More than. Kalau teruk sangat, saya akan suruh you all nyanyi lagu Arab kau. Betul. So jangan teruk sangat lah. Betul, ada student yang memang kalau dah teruk sangat, saya suruh nyanyi lagu Arab. Baru dia ingat. So, kalau tuan-tuan lihat di sini, maka kita dah ada kita punya asymptotic significance, which is more than alpha. Therefore, we fail to reject the null hypothesis and make a conclusion. There is no difference of the anxiety value between race. Maknanya apa? Ma makna no different with regard to the anxiety between race. Ma makna ha? Fi hazihil anxiety. Apa makna dia? Maknanya, race bukanlah faktor yang boleh mempengaruhi seseorang tu punya anxiety. Faham tak? You tak boleh kata, oh sebab you Chinese kot, that's why you little bit anxiety as compared to us. Tak ada! Based on this statistical analysis, that is wrong. Faham Itu maksud dia. Bila kata gender, bila kata gender, male or female, tak ada beza. Maksudnya apa? That is not the factor that influence your anxiety. That is not the factor that influence your stress. That is not the factor that influence you to be depressed. That means you need to be happy. Betul tak betul? Payah Cakap tu macam ahli politik pula Dah selesai. Apa dia? Dah selesai. Dapat kita dapat? Kalau dah dapat, saya bagi anda masa lebih kurang 5 minit untuk anda buat sendiri kepada depression di kalangan ahli akademik ataupun status of academic lah. Depression dan academic status. So, let us do the exercise together. Depression between academic between academic. Okey, ada satu soalan yang mungkin tuan-tuan akan tanya nanti.